Got it once.
Watch Alex coming around the back.
Right there. Got it.
They're cornering me. Watch yourself.
Got pitch again. Right back, Alex.
Oh, they're both over here by me.
Got it, he's out. Pace 2 more times. Pace to center. Got it once.
Line change.
Are you up? Yeah.
Oh, my hand is shut. Oh, I just closed it. Okay, then cancel. Green team, line up. Red team, line up. Red team, are you ready?
Yeah.
Green team, are you ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Alright, it's Amber and Jacqueline. Both near the front. Jacqueline's right here. Alright. Amber likes the turtle, she's over there by the got one leg left. Hit once.
Problem is every time I move, I can't focus. It's not with too much,
Behind you, Alex.
not enough light. The camera thinks it's always out of focus.
Both my rings. Alright, got Amber. Fuck! Jacqueline got me.
Jacqueline.
Play smart.
Damn, how many laps does he have? Look at these crazy lights. Line change!
Yeah. I have one left.
You did good too, guys. Smile for the camera, Jacob. Jacob, smile for the camera. You can't actually see you. It's too dark.
World star.
Yeah, no one's ever see you.
World star.
Red team, are you ready?
Ready.
Green team, are you ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
I see nothing.
Got him.
Line change!
Yeah.
I just wanted to go over.
You did it. Go ahead, give us a sit rep of that.
Gave 100. Well, we gave 110%. You know, when you go out there and you got a good offense, you know, do well.
Green team, are you ready?
Yeah.
Red team, are you ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Got Nathan.
Let's see anything.
Nathan's over here on the, fuck, you know that wall. Fuck, you know that.
Wait, I got one.
Fuck, John's over here, Mega. John's over here, Mega. Cubby.
100 mega.
Got Nathan.
One shot.
Jake's pushing. Got Sean. One on Sean.
Sean got 2.
So 2 on Sean. Sean moving towards me. Nathan got 1. I was on my knees.
I'm on my knees.
Where's he at?
He moved back towards Mega.
Yeah, he did. Is Nathan dead?
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Nathan's
then
out?
Sean's over in Mega.
Nathan's out.
Yeah, Nathan's out. You got my spark.
Look at that bald fucking head.
What do you see? Alright, hang on. Take over. Yep. He's hit. He is coming to me. No, he's not.
Back, right.
He's hit again.
He's got 1 left. Destiny, run away. Jake, he's back corridor. He's on me. Got
Is that
Line change!
Hey, give us a minute.
Yeah, give us a second.
You don't got a minute, dude. How much time do we have left?
They're tired, man. Shut the fuck up.
We ain't tired.
You got 10 bucks.
Oh, they have 10 minutes?
Did you get that on camera, Lucas?
Not really.
Did you see it?
I can't get it from this angle, but yeah, I saw it.
Red team ready.
I hope it comes up on there. Red team ready!
Ready!
Green team ready!
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
One's at Mega.
1 on the middle wall.
Oh my god, I have the most unstable hand in the world.
I got one over here. It's Dickie. Dickie's at their wall.
I got all 3 of them.
Dickie's hit once.
Destiny is on the other side of blue. Steve is at the right. Someone's moving else. Jake said they coming.
Where are the plays?
Skills move. Skills in middle Mega. I got skills by Mega. Ryan's in on it. Skills by Mega now.
Dickie's hit once, so he's down 2.
Destiny's way in the back corner. Steve's just by Mega, right? Not underneath, but here. Towards the left wall. Dick's moving up and hot on me.
Okay, so Ryan and Dickie are by the ramp.
You don't know it. There's actually a person right there.
Eyes on Jake. Anybody?
He's in the cubby right now. Steve's in the first cubby, Jake's in the second cubby.
Got Ryan.
Face with defeat.
Got Dickie.
Good.
Yeah, Dickie's got 1. Shit.
I think Ryan just moved to Mega, or he went that way.
Dickie by ramp. Not the wall.
Skills us right here.
Skills move. Skills by Mega.
Dickie is by the ramp.
Destiny's back by the ramp. Steve's in the middle.
Got Ryan.
I lost Dickie.
Ryan's got 1.
I don't know where he's at.
Got him! I think he's back over there.
But it's underneath Maggie somewhere.
Hey girl. Hey girl. Let me get your number.
He's running back that way.
Who's that?
Towards Jake.
He's back by there. Steve, come flank on the brick wall.
What?
He's running. He's coming towards you.
Wait, I got him. Got him.
He's coming towards our ramp.
The Terminator.
Where's he at?
Right here.
In the middle. Which one?
I got him.
You got one. One life. Call it destiny.
Yeah, man. He's still up. He's right here.
I can't keep up with him.
There you go.
Back up.
I miss you so.
You sure?
Yeah, he's still looking right now.
Forever.
We're at
He's directly underneath. He's looking at me.
Jesse, you've been on one life this whole time.
Yep.
That's why I came after you. They told me you had one life.
They're lying.
Where is he?
He's over there on the top of the Vega.
This is a bunch of walls. Oh, oh, oh.
He's done.
That's the game. Jacob,
And I got Ryan.
come here. I need you. Post-match thoughts.
You know, I think both teams have been real well.
Steve, what's it like being so bald?
You know, I've been in the league for 7 years. I put a lot of heart and effort into this game. Fuck you, Jake. Get off one.
Dicky, how did it feel to die a whole lot?
Fuck you.
It goes well for Dicky. Dicky's good, man. Sophomore year, Dicky plays real well. He's averaging 100K a game. You know, we just went out there. We gave 110%. I think both teams did real well, offensively, defensively. You just got to put the lasers right in the lights, man, and that's how you get points.
All right, back to you at the center desk.